Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. You know who I am. Yes, it's Friday. Fabulous Friday. Mother's Day is Sunday. What do you have planned for either yourself or your mother on Mother's Day? I'll get to Mother's Day plans in a minute. Last night, I prepared Mongolian ground beef noodles. I changed the recipe a little bit because the recipe, because I will post it up, is basically ground beef and and sauce. I added onion, I added and some veggies, some frozen veggies. It's Italian style is what Raley's brand calls it. So I made a meal out of it, and I used rice noodles, linguine style. It made a great meal. I did doctor the sauce just a little bit, but yeah. One of the things it called for was red pepper flakes. I've tended to starting to use Shiraka or some type of other hot sauce, Asian's hot sauce in these sauces instead of doing pepper flakes. I just think it makes more of an even heat in the sauce. And I always put my sauces together before they go into the wok or whatever pan. And this one basically says put them individual. It's like, no. I like doing the mixology on my prep table. Tonight, we're doing In-N-Out. I've delayed tonight's meal till tomorrow. I just kind of need a night out. It was a long day. I have not been sleeping well. So we're doing In-N-Out for dinner tonight. But tomorrow I will be doing a whitefish with a lemon Parmesan cream sauce, Parmesan garlic butter rice, and Amish copper pennies. So look forward to that for tomorrow. Next week, this is starting with Mother's Day. Now, I gave Robin, she, quote, too many choices. Because I gave her the wait list, which is 5 pages long, and then I gave her over 125 of repeat recipes, which are, part of the cookbook. So she could have had anything. Even if it wasn't on the list, she could have had it. But she chose spanakopita. Spanakopita. It's Greek. It's a Greek spinach dish with puff pastry and I made this during the year of which had cottage cheese in it. Actually, I remembered it. Some people said that's not right, so I'm actually going to be using ricotta this time, getting away from the cottage cheese. So I'll be starting with that on Sunday. I've got another chocolate mousse recipe I want to try. I might do that Sunday for dessert. If not, I'll definitely do it on Monday. I'm going to do my sloppy joes next week with a red cabbage slaw. It's the same red cabbage slaw that I did with the fish tacos that I absolutely love. Now, I want to make it for Robin because she didn't get any of that. So I'm going to be doing, like I said, my sloppy joes with the red cabbage slaw. One of Robin's favorites, and this was a very good meal from this will be in the cookbook, egg foo young. Then I'm going to be doing a new recipe, crispy Tuscan salmon, with another new recipe, spinach mushroom orzo. So yeah, there's 2 new recipes there. And then I'm going to be doing a phyllo meat pie, but I'm going to be doing it with elk. And it's going to be they're calling it an Egyptian goulash. Looking forward to that one. And then Friday, we're doing In-N-Out tonight, but I'm going to be putting together, or Robin and I will be doing this together, a burger bar. I've done taco bars, I've done hot potato or baked potato bars, and so forth, BLT bars and all that. But we're going to do a burger bar next Friday. we'll probably do French fries. Um, yeah, I'll figure that out. Robin had a choice of French fries or sweet potato fries, and she thinks we did sweet potato fries the last time we did something like this. So, yeah, I got a week to figure it out. But right now it's French fries. So that's the scoop for next week. It ends up being 6 days of cooking, 4 old recipes, and 4 new recipes for next week. So there's that. Where this week was like 8 new recipes and like 3 old. So, or repeats. So yeah, on this fabulous Friday, enjoy the weather. Here in Sutter County, it's supposed to be about 92 degrees at the high, and that's per Bob Harlan's weather report from early this morning. I get Bob's weather report every day, or most days, I should say. He does a great job. He's been doing that for years. So yeah, here in Sutter County, California, we're going to be at 92, very light winds, and yeah. So the weekend's supposed to be beautiful. We got the Dixon Mayfair going on down in Dixon. We've got Foodapalooza or whatever, the food festival going on in Sacramento this weekend. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. Check out your farmers markets this weekend. They're up and running again. So on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and as always, have fun cooking.